Hello children, today we are going to learn common first aid. Now, last video we learned what is mean by first aid, what things in a first aid box, what things will be in a first aid box children. For cuts and wounds, what we have to do that they given here. If someone get a minor cut, first wash it with water to remove dirt. Minor means children little cut, not too much. Minor means little cut. Now someone got a cut, then what you have to do children? You have to wash it with the water because there dirt will be there. You have to remove that dirt. Then wipe it with a cotton dipped in a few drops of antiseptic lotion. Then what you have to do? Then you have to take a cotton and that you have to dip in a antiseptic lotion. And you have to apply it on that. If there is a bleeding from the cut, put a band-aid on it. If it is after washing, then after you will apply there antiseptic lotion, but also the bleeding will not stop means you have to do a band-aid. A deep cut may need cotton pads and a sterilized bandage. Now a deep cut will be required the cotton pads. The cotton pads will be there and sterilized bandage. An anti-tetanus injection. Now anti-tetanus injection means what? Vaccine is given to provide protection. Is the best way to protect against these life-threatening diseases. Is strictly recommended if the cut wound has occurred because of an iron object. If that cut got from the iron object means it is very important you have to take the injection. Vaccine, anti-tetanus vaccine you have to must take. For burns, now what you have to do? Someone got burn means what you have to do? In case of a minor burn, means little got burn means what you have to do? Wash the burnt area with a cold running water. Running water means what? You have to on the tap and you have to wash that. Put an ice pack on the burnt area where you got the burnt. If minor little burnt got means you have to put there a ice. Then apply an antiseptic cream of the affected area on the affected area. Then you have to apply the antiseptic cream on the affected area. In case of major burns, rush the victim to a doctor. If it is a major, he got more burns, that time you should not do these all things. That time you have to take them near the doctor. For insect bite, in case of an insect bite, apply calamine lotion. In case of an insect bite, apply calamine lotion. You have to apply there children calamine lotion. For bee and wasp stings, apply a paste of baking soda with an antiseptic cream to give relief. You can apply baking soda also children to get a relief. If a person faints, make him lie down with his head at a level lower than the body. What you have to do? Someone got a faints means giddiness. What you have to do children? You have to make them down and level lower means you have to make them to sleep children so that more blood can reach the brain. Then what you have to do? How this boy slept? See, your leg should be keep little up, then head should be come down. Then what will do? What will it will happen? From the this your more blood circulation it will go to the your head, children. Allow fresh air around him. No, now what you have to do after this? What you have to do, children? You have to allow the fresh air. You should not. Many members should not gather to the that person. That person require the fresh air. It want more air, children. Loosen his clothes. If clothes are tight means you have to do loose, children. Sprinkle water on her. You have to sprinkle water on her. His forehead, on the mouth, face, everywhere you have to sprinkle the water. Send for a doctor immediately. Now this kind of a patient happen means you have to do this all the things again. You have to send immediately for the near the doctor, children. In any kind of emergency, you need to keep calm so as to treat the victim well. Now, any kind of emergency, you have to be calm. You should not afraid, because you have to treat the victim well. You should not become a panic. You have to be cool and you have to do these all things. If you are a panic means first you will afraid. Then how you can treat the person? It is a good to be prepared for an emergency and to know how to give first aid. That's why it is a very good. You have to prepare yourself to give like this way first aid. Emergency, it is an emergency. That's why you have to give the first aid, children. Reminder, it can save someone's life, children. Yes, children, if you are immediately you are doing such a things means till the person goes near doctor, he can be survive. Then you can save the someone's life. Now children, you have to read this lesson number 3 5 times.